once again, this is Teacher Romel and welcome to our new episode of Lesson in Mathematics 6. Okay, so today for our week 3 lesson in Math 6, our lesson is about dividing simple fractions and mixed fractions. Now, dividing fraction is simply multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction or number. So, what is reciprocal? The reciprocal of a fraction is found by flipping its numerator and denominator. For example, the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung reciprocal daw ng 2/3 ay 3/2. Kung napansin nyo, binaliktad lang, di ba? So, yung numerator na 2, ginawang denominator dito. Tapos, yung 3 na denominator, ginawang numerator. Binaliktad. So, 3/2 is the reciprocal of 2/3. So, let's have more example of reciprocal. Okay, so the reciprocal of 7 is 1/7. So, paano naging 1/7? So, 7 is a whole number. So, automatically, meron siyang 1 as denominator. Right? So, if you are going to get the reciprocal of that, so you will have 1/7. So, this is the reciprocal. Okay, next one. The reciprocal of 1 and 2/3 is 3/5. So, 1 and 2/3 is a mixed fraction. So, paano siya naging 3/5? Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, 1 and 2/3, gagawin muna natin siyang improper fraction. Okay? So, 3 times 1 is 3. Then, plus 2 is 5 over, copy the denominator, 3. So, this is the equivalent fraction of the mixed fraction. So, ano ngayon ang reciprocal niyan? So, reciprocal of 5/3 is, of course, 3/5. Okay? Okay, so let's try to find the quotient of 4/5 and 3/4. So, given 4/5. So, since that is quotient, so that is divided by 3/4. Now, we call this as the dividend and this is the divisor. Now, all you have to do is rewrite the dividend and then change the operation. So, operation will become multiplication and then get the reciprocal of 3/4. And what is the reciprocal of 3/4? Okay, very good. That is 4/3. Okay, and now, since we already changed the operation to multiplication, we can now 3. So, diba 3 originally, meron siyang 1 sa ilalim, and that is the denominator of a whole number. So, what is the reciprocal of 3 over 1? So, that is 1 over 3. And then, multiply. 2 times 1 is 2, and then 5 times 3 is 15. So, is this an improper fraction or proper fraction? This is a proper fraction, so we don't need to divide. Since this is already a prime number, so this is our final answer, 2 over 15. Okay? Okay, now next example is 5 divided by 2/5 equals 10. So, this time, our dividend is 5. And our divisor now is 2/5. So, again, that is just the same. So, 5 divided by 2/5 is equals to, again, copy the dividend, which is 5. And then, change the operation, magiging times. And then, get the reciprocal of 2/5. And that is 5 over 2. And then, multiply. Rule natin siya, merong 1 sa ilalim. So, 5 times 5 is 25 over 1 times 2 is 2. So, this is improper fraction, so we have to divide. So, 25 divided by 2 is, that is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus, that is 1. So, our answer is 12 and numerator is 1. And then copy the denominator. So, our final answer is 12 and 1/2. Okay? The next example. So, what is the quotient when 5 and 1/2 is divided by 2/3? So, let's write the expression. So, 5 and 1/2 divided by 2/3. So, first, we have to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction by multiplying the denominator to the whole number. So, 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 over 2. Okay, divided by, then copy 2/3 is equals to, copy again 11 over 2, then change the operation to multiplication. Then get the reciprocal of 2/3. So, reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. Okay, and then multiply. So, 11 times 3 is 33 over 2 times 2 is 4. Now, this is improper fraction. So, again, we're going to divide. So, 33 divided by 4 is ilan? 8. So, 8 times 4 is 32. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So, your answer is, remainder is 1 becomes the numerator, and then 7 divided by 2 and 1/2 is what number? So 7 here is a whole number, then divided by a mixed fraction. Okay, so try natin. 7. Oops, sorry for my writing. Again. Sorry about that. Okay. So, wait. Okay, so 7 divided by 2 and 1/2. Okay. So, that is equals to 7. Siyempre, copy the dividend. Divided by, anong gagawin natin sa 2 and 1/2? Since that is a mixed fraction, gagawin natin improper fraction. So, by multiplying the denominator by the whole number. So, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. Okay. Is equals to, again, copy 7. Then, change the operation to multiplication. Very good. And then, get the reciprocal of 5 over 2. And that is 2 over 5. And then, multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. Then, copy the denominator, which is 5. So, or, since that is an improper fraction, again, magdi-divide tayo. So, 14 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. So, that will give you 4 over 5. So, your answer is 2 and 4 fifths. Final answer. Okay. So, if you have any questions, just make some comments. So, available naman ang comment section natin. Thank you.